Okay, so we're cooking today. Sitting with the kids. So tomato,
Carrots,
garlic,
onions,
onion.
garlic.
We have tuna, peas, salt, all this pasta.
Tomato sauce.
We're waiting for this water to boil. Godspeed.
There we go. Look at the kitchen.
So the tribes are fighting. There's a fight has broken out while Ben and I were making food. And you can see everyone is walking somewhere with their staffs. There's some kind of an argument that occurred. I don't want to go out with the camera because they might get really upset. But Ben is out there with a pasta plate, but he also doesn't have a camera. See, Ben's having a bite of pasta in the middle of an African tribal fight. What happened? Do you know?
What happened?
What?
Biakuri, something happened to Biakuri. Apparently someone who...
Yeah.
Madonga?
I saw him get ammunition for the AK, and he ran out.
But now he's fighting with someone else.
I know, he took his shirt off and he ran out with his staff.
Yeah. If you want, we could go and try and find him.
No, I'm staying out of that shit. I don't want to, no, I'm not running out there when they have a magazine of a Kalashnikov with them. You can clearly hear there's turmoil, and it's not good. The problem with some of the Mursi is that they start drinking quite early, and they're made their own moonshine. As you probably know, you don't make rational choices when you're hammered, especially on moonshine. Moonshine will really do a number on you. But as you can see now, I'll flip the camera around. There's nobody in the tribe. There's just a few women left here who are waking up from a slumber. Is she alright?
Yeah, she probably needs some...
Can I just toss it? Good catch. You can hear them clacking sticks out there, and there's some issue. I guess this is also how you resolve, you know, interpolitical issues. Oh! Okay, so oh! Jesus Christ, I'm in literal hell right now. What do you think about all this? The whole situation. The whole situation is fucked up. Yikes.
Big chief.
Yeah. So the fighting's nearly over. We're trying to calm everybody down. Ben, our driver, and myself are being guided by the kids out of the village to go to a watering hole, I think, or somewhere else. I don't know. We'll see. Here they are.
We may well be going to see some cows or...
Not quite sure where we're going, but we're just following the kids because tensions are high. Okay, things have calmed down a bit. And the girls are dancing, so we're gonna go film them and get some audio.